Managed to come across the case of the new Wal-mart exclusive Camaro set, priced at $2.14 each plus tax. Pricey for what they're worth it. Circling for the case. Which one is the FKB70-9998. So I was really hoping, based on the card art, that there's a chance that maybe all come together or something, like to make a picture like the American flag that they did on one of the previous sets. But not for this release, unfortunately. I think there's 5 different card arts. Together. Green. Actually, they're huh. Those are the same. So there's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different card arts. Alright, first up we have the 2018 Camaro Ss, the Camaro Lighter, Leaner, Meaner. And if this looks familiar, you're right. It is the same as the 2018 first edition, just instead of having the gloss orange paint job, it is flat orange. And the tampos are exactly the same. Even the same wheels. Next up we have the 2016 Camaro Ss, same card art. You'd expect for $2.14 that they could at least do the headlights and tail lights on these instead of just side and hood tampos, or the trunk as well. I'm guessing you're paying the extra $1.20 for the card art? I don't know. Then we have the iroc, the 85 Chevrolet Camaro, iroc-z. Again, no front or taillight painted tampos. That's like the most disappointing part. I mean, it's the same. Like, okay, one's like flat, one's got a gloss, and it's $1.14 difference because of the card art. Oh well, they gotta make their money somehow, right? And these two have the same card art. The Gen 5, same legend. Next chapter. This one is the 2012 Camaro Zl1 Concept. Probably my favorite from the set. Then the next one we have is the custom 2011 Camaro. Then the 1995 Camaro Convertible, a sleek physique. I think this might be my least favorite Camaro design. The design just never really grew on me for some reason. Then we've got this card art. Vicious animal that eats Mustangs. Sure. The 1967 Camaro. Probably the most popular Hot Wheels casting. They could at least done something on this one. Tail lights or something. Come on. Paying $2. Where's that money going? 1969 Camaro Convertible. I'd love to have one of those in real life. All hustle, no disco. And these two share the same card art. This is the 1981 Camaro. One of my favorite years. way better than this pearl drop thing. It's just, I don't know, kind of bloated, but don't know. And then we have the 1970 Chevy Camaro, which is just gorgeous. I'm gonna have to crack this one open and at least paint some taillights and headlights on it. Throw some real riders on there to make it appropriate. There you have it. This is hitting Walmart's right now. Good luck trying to find a set. Fortunately, I was able to at least snatch one box, but it seems like all the other stores I went to, I just found remains of them. And of course, the one that I found in the box set, I found 2 boxes, and the other one was smashed. Like, it wasn't even smashed on the pallet, like it'd been smashed sometime during shipment, but oh well. What can you do? Anyways, good luck, happy hunting. Guys, let me know if you're finding these, and tell me if you're finding both sets, 4 sets, how many sets. Just kind of curious to know what kind of distribution is going on with these. Oh, almost forgot. This one, yes, I did find an error. And check that out. It's like a manta ray or something, or a stingray. It's hilarious. I love how these make it past QC. It's like they can clearly see that this is messed up, and you know the person that put this on the rack to get painted, they had to have seen that. Which rivet's painted? They're both painted, so I don't know which one rivet they hung it on, but I'm guessing they probably at least hung it like that. They had to have seen that. Oh well, good times. Anyways, happy hunting.